We're gonna oil the pan. That's too much, that's too much. Hello, welcome to day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing my festive Christmassy pajamas. I'm here with my younger cousins and we're gonna make Christmassy desserts, but they're all gonna be vegan. So today our first dessert is going to be apple crisp, and tomorrow we're going to make a vegan chocolate cake. So let's get right into it. We have our apples that we haven't peeled yet. We have flour here, and this particular flour is gluten-free. We have brown sugar, vegan butter, oats to put on top, and then all of our other ingredients here.
Just stay full.
Hey. Wait, I gotta get the hang of it. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is mad soft now. 2 in your right hand, 1 in your left. And you always bring this one over. It's like you're constantly over under. Like once you get 2, then you can get 3.
Ready? Whoa. Whoa.
Please excuse our apple cutting skills. We don't have a lot of peelers, so we have to use what we have to use. So now we're going to preheat. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now that the apples are nicely chopped, our next step is creating the apple filling. I'm Kristin's favorite cousin. And my dear, so we're gonna oil the pan. Show us how to do it. That's too much. That's too much. Thank you, Lexi. You're welcome. All right, we got our oven preheated, 350, and the apple crisp is prepared. So now we're gonna put it in for 50 minutes. We just took the pie out of the oven and it looks amazing. We're gonna wait till it cools off, maybe about 10 minutes or so, and then we're gonna try it. It's been way longer than 10 minutes. It's 2:30 in the morning now, and everybody pretty much went to bed. So I am here. And I'm gonna eat some pie. This looks amazing. It looks really moist. It's crunchy on top. All right, now time to taste it. This is bomb. Wow. I love it. The top part is so crunchy. If I were to rate this, I would give it a 9. Maybe a 10. So Lexi woke up. Good. Yeah.
Apple is so crunchy.
Yeah, which I like. I don't like it mushy.
Yeah.
It's like baby food.
Mhm. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and it's so sweet.
Mhm.
We only use the brown sugar. It's so good. Stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow, where we'll be making vegan chocolate cake. Thanks for watching. Bye.